Hey guys, come grocery shopping with me. Usually I do this weekly to make sure I have everything I need to cook my 3 times meal. We really can't complain about the prices, can we? Since me and my husband are both a working couple, I like to take these kind of ready-made rotis. So making dinner, lunch or breakfast in a hurry would be easy. A little trick that I do here is I always put my essential groceries up front first and then bill whatever that's extra just to make sure that we're in budget. Let's go home now. Once I'm back, I prefer to put everything away instantly so it's easier for me to cook dinner and get organized. It's time to make dinner. Today I'm going to do something super simple. My favorite go-to recipe is one pot chicken rice. So it's really not that difficult to make this. You just need some chicken. I prefer to get it marinated in some yogurt or curd with some spices. The first step is to fry the chicken. It doesn't have to be cooked well through. After that, you remove the chicken and with the same oil add some garlic and onions and stir fry it, and then add the plain rice. It's not cooked rice. And once you add it, add the chicken on top, add some water and leave it to boil. So that's how simple it is.